Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining clear goals, traffic, leads, or revenue, because what you measure shapes your work. Once goals are set, run a fast baseline audit. Crawl the site, check indexing, page speed, and mobile friendliness to reveal low-hanging fixes. Next, prioritize keywords by search intent, volume, and difficulty, then map them to pages. Make sure to create an initial action list with 1-3 quick wins. These are the foundation you'll iterate from. Now execute the deep work. Optimize each target page, title, meta, H1, and schema, because signals matter to search engines and users alike. Once done, build topic clusters with pillar pages and supporting content to increase authority. Use internal links to pass relevance and improve crawl paths. Simultaneously, fix technical issues like faulty redirects, sitemap accuracy, robots rules, and server response codes so crawlers access content reliably. Make sure to measure via analytics and Search Console to validate. To finish, launch prioritized changes and monitor KPIs, organic traffic, CTR, rankings, and conversions, because trends reveal impact. Then iterate, /B test titles and snippets, update stale content, and expand into related keywords that show demand. If performance drops, troubleshoot methodically. Compare crawl data, server logs, and site changes to isolate causes and roll back risky updates if needed. Make sure to communicate fixes and timelines to stakeholders, so recovery is coordinated and data-driven.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.